Hi guys, this is P. Thomas Lambert. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube doing something, but as you can hear in the background, my wife is doing a little blowing gardening work and getting rid of some debris from a major storm that came through here over a week ago. Now I'm going to show you what happened. So stand by guys and we'll see what happened. So here's our backyard, and we're really proud of our backyard, but as I head down our little hill here, actually it's not so little, you can start to see the debris field. That's right. This was a massive 100-foot white pine tree that came down and literally took a whole bunch of other trees out with it in our yard. And this is what it left behind. So I got some cleanup I've got to do. I got to cut up the remnants of a looks to be an oak tree. And there's the pine tree right there in the center. And underneath that is another tree. And if you go walking through a little further, you can see there was a couple more trees that it took out. Oh yeah, there's more of it. There's a couple more trees that it literally took down. And I'll show you a little more. And yes, there's more. It goes all the way back there. And I don't know if you can see it in the background, but that's the root ball of this tree. This tree was pretty healthy. It's the wind that took it totally out. And yes, that is the root ball. This tree is no longer in my property. It's in the property of my neighbor next door. And you can hear I'm in the woods. And yes, it continues all the way down there. So yeah, we had quite a few trees come down. This is another one that came down during that storm. I wasn't even aware of it until now. It was all the way back in there. Fortunately, it didn't land in our property, but it's a loss for the neighbor. And frankly, I don't think he cares. Let's see if we got more damage. So my wife's trying to convince me I need to pull out the chainsaw and do some more cutting. So I guess I'll break down and do that before I end this video. And do a quick cameo of my wife doing her back-breaking labor with some of the debris. Say hi. Yes, that's the remnants of an oak tree. So that's that. Take care. We'll show you some more updates as we come along. Tella.